We're going to start removing different components in the capping station area. Just to identify some of the different components, you have the little flashing tray back over here. You have the actual capping station. You have your wiper blade that slides over and wipes the actual print head itself. Then we also have this back panel right here. It looks silver and it's got a couple holes on the side of it, and I'll show it a little bit more up close once we get it out. So the first step we're going to do is we're actually going to remove this little flashing tray right here. To do that, there's one single screw right over here to this area. We'll take that screw out. Having a magnetic screwdriver definitely helps. We'll just set that screw to the side and we'll lift straight up on this. Okay? And that tubing, since we disconnected the tubing earlier, it should be easy to just slide right out and set to the side. Alright, so now we can actually start removing the screws that attach this bracket or the capping station down to the machine. You have two screws right here in the front, one that's directly down to the, if you're standing right here where I am, it'll be to the front right of the capping station. And this definitely helps to have a long handled Phillips head screwdriver. I'll undo that screw first. Okay. If you hear something fall up underneath, that might be another one of these little brass set screws. Just like that front one we removed earlier. It looks a little bit like this. Okay. And we just set that to the side. It doesn't really have a purpose in there right now anyway. Okay. The next screw we're going to do is right here. It's the front one that's going to be in the top left-hand corner of the capping station. Alright, we'll remove that screw next. Okay. Then we have two other screws associated with the capping station, and they're also back here in the back corners. First one's on the left side. Reminds me of that old game Operation. But it definitely helps with a magnetic screwdriver. The next screw down here is going to be straight down on this top towards the front of the machine in the corner right here. We'll just go down there with that long handle screwdriver. If I do accidentally drop a screw down in there, it's not the end of the world. We can actually get it out with a magnetic screwdriver, or just wait until we have the capping station completely removed and we can get the screws from there as well. Okay, now I should be able to kind of wiggle this free, and then we'll go to the next step.